Today, I'm going to teach you another trick of piano. We're going to learn about snowman. Have you ever built a snowman? This is a snowman. It looks familiar, right? But there is a type of snowman on piano. You see, common snowmans have 3 layers: the head, the body, the feet. And this is a snowman. The castle, up 2 steps, 3 notes. All these are snowmen. I want to be happy. So if it's sad, if you want it to be happy, you just need to do one more step. So this is unhappy. The body of a snowman, go up a little bit. Not this one. A little bit. Now it's happy. This is the note of these 3. How about here? Can you do it? 30 seconds. Okay, time's up. The answer is same, but down a little bit. Can you do this one by yourself? This is up a little, but not this one. This one. So, 1 step, 2 step. And the bottom is the same. These 2 notes. Look. These 2 and these 2 are the same. So you don't need to look at it, this is the feet, this is the head, this is the body. You don't need to because it's the same. So, these 5 notes. This is the same. And this is lower. So, down 1 step. It's unhappy. What should we do? Remember the body of the snowman up a little. Now it's happy. So these 7 notes learn a little more. So you see, look, why are these dots here? Why? If you play with dots, it's jumping, okay? This is 7th grade sight reading. Are you scared? But you just have to learn it anyway, right? Look. What's this? Is this a snowman? No. It sounds like this. This is not a snowman. How about this? It's like meatballs stick together. If this, see? This is not a meatball. Because see? There's a hole. This is a meatball. It goes together, stick together. So this is a snowman. Let's have some more. This is the hardest piece in the world, called Rhapsody in Blue. Do you know how many pages does this book have? 41! Isn't it crazy? Okay, let's look here. Is this a snowman? Yes, it is. But it has 4 notes. You don't need to worry about the bottom note. See? It's a snowman. And it's a high-pitched snowman. This is not a snowman. This is a snowman. Don't need to worry about the top one. See? 3 meatballs. In the hardest piece in the world, this is the hardest piece in the world. It still has easy things to play. You don't need to worry about the lower part. Just worry about 3. But if you put them together, I think your hand is not enough. Thank you for watching Tricky Trickster. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Do you know how to use a snowman?